GSG presents Whiting Wednesday.
I'm Mark Sudolnik, Textile Application Specialist with Graphic Solutions Group. Today in the Applications Lab, I'm going to show you one of the easiest way to do a reflective print. We're going to be using A-Magic reflective foil, and we're going to apply it using International Coatings Plastisol foil adhesive. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to print our foil adhesive through a 123 mesh screen using a 70 durometer squeegee. We're going to do 2 print strokes on this to lay down a nice amount of adhesive. We're going to go ahead and cure it, and then we're going to apply the foil. Now that we have our foil adhesive printed, we're going to go ahead and run it through the dryer, and this is going to be a standard 320-degree cure temperature. For our reflective application, we're going to be using A-Magic reflective foil. We already have the printable adhesive onto our shirts, and we'll go ahead and heat press them. Once we have our shirt on, we're going to go ahead and put our sheet of foil on top, cover it with a piece of parchment. We're going to heat press this at 350 degrees with a medium pressure for 15 seconds. Now that we've let our foil cool down a little bit, we're going to go ahead and peel it off, revealing a really nice soft reflective print. And there you have it, a really simple way to do reflective without the time it takes to go ahead and cut vinyl, weed it out, and then heat press it. And it's a little simpler than using the 2-part reflective inks that are usually out there for screen printing. For more tips and information on screen printing, visit gogsg.com, follow us on social media, and we'll see you next time.